What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to try to put on this wireless CarPlay adapter on my Indian Challenger. So why I want to do that is I got the brake clutch perch, which is new, and I want to move this, which I haven't used yet, over to here, and then run power from this, because it has an external power to it, or you can run power to it from this up to here, because this thing here is a wireless charger. So, and it's got the vibration dampener and all that good stuff on this mount. Right now it's just mounted to my mirror stem, which is probably okay. I just think the phone kind of interferes with some of your controls, so I'm going to try to, anyway, the purpose of this video specifically is to get this working on an Indian Challenger, or see if it will work. So alright, this is just a quick unboxing, nothing major here. I'll just show it to you. It's not very big. Let's see. It's smaller than a credit card, even though this isn't a credit card. It is smaller than a credit card. It's not too thick. So yeah. You need a plug to plug into a USB spot in your car, and this is the power out. So if you want to power your phone or something, you can do that. So that's what I plan on doing. I was going to run a fancy cable, to be honest, from the battery up to the wireless charger, but I don't think I'm going to do all that. It comes with two USB-C cables, one with two USB-Cs on both sides and one USB-A, USB-C there. So right now I'm going to use the USB-A and USB to USB-C. So before I go hooking all this stuff up, what I'm going to do, so the USB-C goes into the unit itself, and this will go into the USB port on the Indian Challenger. So, but what I'm going to do is, I got a new iPhone, so I shouldn't have to take my phone out, or I won't have to take my phone out, but I'm going to show you how to remove your phone from the Bluetooth on the Indian Challenger. So it's not trying to hook to the Indian Challenger. You got a Bluetooth or whatever into this, not your Indian Challenger. So, all right, so this is where my bike's at when I started it. So I want to go to settings, and then all settings, and then vehicle, and then I think maybe it's general. Let's try general. Bluetooth devices. And I want to remove my iPhone. Forget that. Yes. All right, so I've removed my iPhone from the bike. So your USB cable to the bike is in this right compartment. Remove my old USB cable, because the lightning cables are no more for the new iPhones. So I'm hoping just plugging this thing in is going to be the ticket. I'm going to try to hold you here. Let's see. Turning red. Oops. Wow, it's already saying Bluetooth must. I was hoping that I'd come up with the setup screen on here. I should read the directions. We'll do that. I'm just hoping this works. All right. It's not flashing red. It's supposed to be flashing red, looking for connection to phone. Green, connected in use, updating firmware. Okay. All right, I'll be back. All right, I figured out the trick, I think. So, first, you need to get out of here. That is going to be important. You got to have a headset on your Indian Challenger. I'm using a Sena 50S. Anyway, that's why it says headset Bluetooth must be connected to use Apple CarPlay. Anyway, kill all that. Go to settings. All settings. General, I think. Probably not. Vehicle. Automatic power, display power down. Turn this off. This resets every time you restart the bike. All right. So, anyway, we'll go to, I just hit phone. And then I'm going to turn on my Sena headset.
Hello. Phone connected.
And then I got a box. Last time I was trying this off camera, I got this screen. All right. Connect your iPhone. So go into your iPhone settings. Well, not your iPhone settings, but Bluetooth. Then quad lock F280. Use CarPlay. And there it is. And now I've got wireless CarPlay on my Indian motorcycle. So let's see here. Let's go to Sirius XM. Oops. Oops. I want to stop recording my phone. So let's do this. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, this is weird because sometimes you gotta go into the app before this kind of works right. So let's go back here and then maybe favorite from here. Yeah. So sometimes you gotta go into your phone and open the app. Sometimes I restart the app on the phone and then it seems to work. I got a green connection on here. I really don't want to play nothing for copyright reasons. Let's see if we can turn the media down. Yep, so it's playing. Cool. So that is hooking up, getting wireless CarPlay, on the backwards phone, wireless CarPlay from the quad lock system onto your Indian Challenger. It's quite simple, actually. You just got to make sure that you got to have some kind of a Bluetooth system, like a headset. You could use your Sena, or you could use an external dongle, and I got a video out on, so my current dongle is in my saddlebag here. So use that. That way you can run your sound through your speakers, or you just use your Sena. So anyway, I'm glad that works, because I want to really move all of this setup over to this side and then run my power cord up to this powered head unit, because that's a wireless charger here. So, but that'll all be for another video, and hopefully this helped. If you're looking for wireless CarPlay and you got quad lock stuff already, try this, and we will catch you next time. See ya.